this keyboard worth $465 of your hard-earned monies? Let's find out. The Glacier 80 is an F13 TKL custom mechanical keyboard by Creampaca Studio, built with the intent to highlight the original sound of a Switch while still achieving a flexy typing experience. Did they succeed? Sure. Highlighting the original sound of a Switch? What does that even mean? Like, the sound it makes not in a keyboard? Or like, with a keycap on? Preference is something that's often regurgitated over and over again in the keyboard community, and guess what? This board does highlight the original sound of a Switch to me, but it's gonna depend on your preference, son. Now for the flexy typing experience Creampaca set out to achieve. This is a different story. I built this in the Plateless configuration, the thin case foam and no plate foam. God damn, this thing got flex. Maybe too much flex? Flexi boards are the current trend right now in this space, and I'm no exception. It's the main reason I bought this board. And you know what? Too much flex is a bad thing. Preference, son. It's really fatiguing on the fingers because of the vibrations and the feedback it causes, and it just kind of feels mushy. So I rebuilt this with the thick case foam just to bring some more of that stiffness back into the mix while still trying to keep the plateless sound signature. And this was just a way better setup. Preference, son. The Glacier 80 also finds additional ways to flex on you, boasting a beautiful back weight of nickel alloy, rather than the aluminum or stainless steel weights we usually see in the market. Creampaca wanted something that was synonymous with the high-end brands like Mercedes to reflect on this weight, so they straight up just jacked the process they use for their Maybach beacons and then just applied it to this weight. Kind of a moot selling point, but looks pretty cool, right? Yeah. Unfortunately, mine came with some weird streaking, and I know other reviewers also had this issue on their prototype units, but mine was an in-stock unit, so hopefully they fix this in the group buy. Which leads me to the rest of the aesthetic of this board. Creampaca went all in on the Glacier theme by adding the front badge made from the same nickel alloy, and also added it to the USB-C cutout, just keeping the Glacier theme all throughout. The additional details here are great, and also helps prevent people from getting buyer's remorse. It's a $400 keyboard. The anodizing is great on the in-stock unit, and I'm pretty sure it'll be the same on the group buy units. Comment below if it's not, and we can flame Creampaca. I do want to say the unboxing experience was fire. Creampaca hits you with that Inception, son. They got the Glacier within the Glacier cutout. It's crazy, and it's really appreciated because it definitely adds to the experience of that $400 that's burning a hole in your wallet. We get it, it's expensive. Inside you'll find your quick setup guide, plate, PCBs, gaskets, daughter board, and a lot of foam. A lot of foam. You get PE foam, you get case foam, you get switch case foam, and you get PCB foam. Did I say that already? And you get two versions of both. It's like thick and thin. So you'll definitely be building this board more than once in order to achieve whatever sound you're trying to get out of your switches. This board is super heavy at 5.8 pounds or 2,500 kilograms. That's like 4 footballs or 20 sticks of butter, 500 sheets of paper, yo mama. Now we can go into a deep dive of the flexiness of the PCB, what everything looks like, but there's a ton of other videos on the internet already about this board, so go watch one of those. Now to answer the question at the beginning of the video, is it worth $465 after shipping? To a collector of mechs like me, yeah. And I'm sure all the people that are watching this video that are waiting on their group buy units will think so too. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below, and thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe, please.